The capacity of a cuboidal tank is 50,000 liters. What is its breadth if length and depth are 2.5 and 10 meters? And let us try to visualize this cuboidal tank. The cuboidal tank has a length of 2.5 meters but a depth of 10 meters. So let us try to draw this cuboid. So depth is this much. So the cuboid can be visualized like this. It's a very deep cuboidal tank, and we need to be finding out the breadth of this cuboidal tank. This is the base area. This is the base area of this cuboidal tank. What will be its breadth? We know that the length is 2.5 and the depth is 10 meters. And if you mark the values, this is 2.5 meter, this is 10 meter. You don't know the breadth of this cuboid, but the total capacity of the cuboid is 50,000 liters. You don't know the breadth. The volume of this cuboid is length into breadth into height. Here it is depth, so we can call it depth. So the length is 2.5 meter into breadth we don't know, it is b, into depth is 10 meter. So you can say that it is 2.5 into 10, so 25b, meter into meter, meter square. So the volume of this cuboid is 25 times b meter square, and b is in meters. Let us see, we will get the answer anyway. So the total capacity of this cuboid, we are able to fill 50,000 liters of water. 50,000 liter means 50 times 1000 liters of water, and 1000 liter of water is actually 1 meter cube, which we already know because 1 meter cube is 1000 liter. So 50,000 liters means 50 times 1000 liter. 1000 liter is 1 meter cube. Then the volume of the water inside this cuboid is 50 meter cube. So the volume of the water kept inside and the volume of the cuboid are the same because this cuboidal tank only holds that water. So these two are equal. Then the total volume 25b meter square equal to 50 times meter cube. This 25 cancels 50 two times because this 25 comes down here, or I will just do it this way. So b and this meter square and cube will be cancelled, meter will be left out. So 50 meter divided by 25 will be there. These two cancel out two times, so it is 2 meter. So the depth of this cuboid, the breadth of this cuboid is 2 meter. So the idea is the tank holds 50,000 liters of water. That means the volume of the tank is 50,000 liters. 50,000 liters means 50 meter cube. That 50 meter cube is supposed to be the volume of this cuboidal tank. So which is length into breadth into height. So the length into breadth into height, which is the volume, will be equal to 50 meter cube. And here we use the idea that 1000 liters of water is 1 meter cube. 50,000 liters of water is 50 meter cube. Hence the breadth of this cuboidal tank is 2 meters.